Hey guys, this is Ray with PhoneArena, and I would like to give you a quick unboxing of the LG G6. Before we dive into it, just a quick disclaimer now. This is kind of a preliminary unboxing because this is not really the full retail packaging. However, probably the only difference you're going to notice between this and what will end up in stores is that this box here will lack earphones. So this should pretty much be the only important difference. So with that said, let's check out the box here of the LG G6. As you can see, it's quite clean, simplistic, very understated with this black cardboard design and the G6 logo here on the top. And on this left hand side we have "Life's good when you play more," this LG slogan. Now let's open the box. And there we have it, the LG G6 with its incredibly thin bezels, the so-called full vision design. The phone itself has the LG logo down here on the bottom bezel, which is slightly thicker. Now on the back side we have the traditional for LG power and lock key, which also doubles as a fingerprint scanner. We also have two cameras, one standard and wide, and one that is a wide angle lens, and then the dual LED flash between them. Now I'll just hold the power key to boot it up. There it goes. So what we have in the actual box, first off we have the wall charger from LG, which has a USB port here into which you plug in this cable, which is a USB Type-C cable, standard affair, white cable, USB Type-C, USB goes into this charger like this. And this here is, as you can see, the US standard plug, but of course it will be different depending on your region. Another thing we have in here is this SIM ejector tool. And then my guess is this is where this little compartment here is where the earphones are going to be located, which we don't have here. We also don't have the warranty, but we never read it anyway. So that's it, guys. That was for the quick unboxing video and just a quick look at the LG G6 itself. It has booted up. We don't have too much battery, but it's okay. We're gonna charge it in just a bit. New LG interface, which takes advantage of this extremely wide screen. And yeah, there you have it. Just stay tuned to PhoneArena if you'd like to see tons of more content in our hands-on preview of the LG G6 as well. Thank you for watching.